All right. So this is Jay, and today we're going to talk about the price, raising price for your service, and how to find out your price in the beginning. And it's it's really complicated. Some people get this frustrated, and if they not use the specific formula or specific tools, they lose the customers. They lose customers, and their customers is not coming back. And this is also bad for the growing, bad for the business. So today we're going to talk about this strategy, how to grow the business. I believe it's not the business, the prices. In the descriptions, it's a four different type of raise the price and how to manage your price and your value for your job. So today we going to talk about the way I did, and it was really comfortable, very easy, and I didn't make any mistake. So I learned this from one of the therapists. He's passed me this technique of the price, raise the price. Okay, how to identify the price in your area. Whatever you are, you just have to scan it, your locations. Go to the websites and even like see the prices and on menu for those massage places or for the services. Exactly what you doing. If this is sport, you're looking for sport people. If you are a relaxation person, you're looking for relaxation type of people. If you think you do some extra, something special, also look around those prices. Ask ChatGPT or AI what's the meat price in your location. If you're a new person, and sometimes if you move from other location, people don't know who you are. I do sometimes. It's very it's very knowledge. You have to get some specific knowledge how to get the same price, bring the same price from your city to the new city. And it's usually like a social media, your video, your channel. People will pay you price. But if you just come in, you don't done anything work like that, like social media stuff. People don't know you. Trust me, you have to start from beginning. That's how it is. But it's fast, it's quick, and you're gonna save the time. This is the key of this class for LifeRx massage classes. It's save the time for your practice. Get faster. So when I start my business, the price, of course, it was a little bit different, but I just give you the idea what I'm going with. So my minimum was survival minimum. It was, I believe, $5,000. I believe $5,000 back there, but I was young, I was strong. I say myself, I can do 100 massages a month. So I split 25 massages per week for my service, and I started growing that 100 people. So every time who's come in, I say the $100. It's $100 for the service, $100 for the service, $100 for the service. When I establish myself for 3 months, I get those 100 clients, or sometimes even more. People keep calling and I keep cancel it. This is the giving me idea. I can raise the prices up a little bit. I'm get some more value. I learn more. Of course, you do continuing education. Without continuing education, it's going to be the issue. So you're not gonna believe in yourself. That's what I'm trying to say. So 100 people. I'm started working for months, 2 years, 3 years. I probably did this for 2 years now. I'm get tired. I'm getting a little bit older. I don't want to do like 100 massages anymore. I let them, my old customers, and of course after 100, sometimes I did after 100 massage, I tell them the price a little bit more, $110, $120. Like I said, depends on person. You can feel that. You can feel who can pay extra $10, who not. It's coming with the practice, but it's coming. So 100, make 10,000. Now I cut to the 90 people. I tell all my clients I'm gonna raise for $10. What's happened? I lost like 10 people because some people, like I said, big difference. I lost clients, but guess what? I only lost $100. I lost $100, but I saved 10 hours of the time. 10 hours of the time. Next one, and this is continuing being happening for many months. I feel comfortable. New customers start coming in. Like I say myself, why I'm just increased for another $10 or $15. It doesn't matter, just like as an example. And I tell my clients, my 90 clients, I'm gonna raise in like it was 7 months. You can't go every month. It's not gonna work. So I tell the clients it's going to be $120 and it's dropped to 80. I lost enough like a 6, 7 sometimes. So, but what's happening? It's, you can see it. It's not a big number from here to here. I was tired here. Now I get less. I do 80 customers a month. It's another 20 hours of saving. So I start using that time to do something else, to do looking for product, sell something online, or do some videos, even do this class. This is because I got more time now. I'll explain this later. So next one, I get tired, and every time who's coming new, I'm just saying them it's a different price. It's $140. Even you can see it on my website on that only first time customers. I catch the customer, I explain it to him, what I'm doing, who I am. This is how I attract. Yes, I give him the discount, but after they pay this price right in here. Sometimes we send them specials or birthday. It's fine. Like I said, it's another like 100 to 200 bucks down. But like I said, you get more time available for yourself to grow something new, become something different. That's all about the time. So next one, I get to the 60, I start charging 140. I still got almost 8,500. I mean 8,500. So it's only 1,600 different between. I was working so hard, but it's a 40 hours. It's like a whole week I cannot working and almost have the same money. And after now I probably do 40 to 35, but the price is $180. And guess what? It's a 9,000. It's even better than before, and it's less people. I got 50 hours per month to spend on myself. And guess what? Mobile service, I even charge 4 times or triple times. Depends, like I said, on person, on day, and Saturday or Sunday, Monday. So this is how you grow your price, and it's another 3 options how to grow your price. But the thing is, for massage therapists, you want to break that uncomfortable level of like for your life. You're scared. You're not gonna pay for your rent. You're not gonna pay for your car. This is what you're looking for. You get that platform, that fundamental first step. What's the comfortable for you? How much money is comfortable for you to pay rent, to get the food? And when you get there, like I said, you're going to be more comfortable. You calm down, your nervous system calm down, and you start raising your money because, like I said, your value is growing up. Do continue education, watch our channel, learn, use it, grow your business, grow yourself.